Explain the object recognition table debugging method. Next, I will explain the specific wiring method. First, you need to connect the power adapter to the host. The host interface connects to signal lines. The first signal line output is connected to the display. Another one is connected to the large screen display device with a large DP to HDMI adapter. There is also a blue USB cable connected to the display to provide the touch effect. Next to it is the software dongle. Connect the USB cable to the receiver of the wireless keyboard and mouse, which is convenient for debugging. Next, look at the wiring part of the display. The first is the power cord to power the display. The button next to it is the power switch. The default is to turn on the power. The blue USB next to it is the signal line. This is the whole connection.